Hey everyone, welcome back Beans Media. I'm Riyaz. Today we'll talk about YouTube ads. So the cover topic is what is YouTube ads, and number 2, why use video ads, and number 3, what are the types of video ads have, and number 4, practical overview. So let's get started, guys. What exactly is YouTube ads? YouTube ads is a promotional videos to help your businesses promote your product and services and brand building. So in shortly, YouTube ads help to businesses to reach a right audience every single day. Okay, why use video ads? Because YouTube access to massive and reach a more engaging audience, and you can choose who are the right audience, age, gender, interest and behavior. Plus it's powered by Google ads, and the best part, YouTube video ads is more engaging, brand awareness, boost your conversions and traffic. Now let's explore the YouTube video ads you can use. Types: number 1, skippable in-stream ads, and number 2, non-skippable in-stream ads, and number 3, in-feed ads, and number 4, bumper ads, and number 5, Masthead ads, and number 6, YouTube Shorts ads. The most common video ads is skippable in-stream ads. Viewers can skip your video after 5 seconds, and best for sales, leads, more traffic and brand awareness, and duration up to 3 minutes. That means cost per view, CPV. And number 2, non-skippable in-stream ads. That means viewers must watch a video continuously. Best for awareness and consideration, duration 15 to 30 seconds, and this targeting bidding is you pay per 1000 impressions, that means cost per mile, CPM. And number 3, in-feed video ads. This in-feed video ads used to invite people to click and watch the video. This in-feed video ads is best for awareness and engagement. Duration, there is no time limit, is flexible, and this in-feed video ads you pay per view, that means cost per view, CPV. And number 4, bumper ads. This bumper ads is a 6 seconds video. Bumper ads used for brand building and awareness, and you pay per 1000 impressions, that means cost per mile, CPM. Number 5, Masthead ads. These ads shows on YouTube homepage, great for big product launches. Shows on desktop, mobile and TV screens. Duration is up to 30 seconds. You pay per 1000 impressions, that means CPM, that means cost per mile. Number 6, YouTube Shorts ads. These video ads are in vertical format, mostly perfect for mobile users. Awareness and engagement, and duration 15 to 60 seconds video. Charge based CPM, that means cost per mile. Now let's look at practical side of YouTube. Connect to Google ads and create a campaign step by step. Let's go, guys. Step 1, connect Google ads to YouTube channel. So firstly, go to Google ads dashboard. I already running a search ads for my client. So this clicks 83 and impressions 4.41k impressions is already done. Let's go to tool and click data manager. So tools and click data manager, and there have connected product. The connected product I already linked Google Analytics and YouTube. So I click connect product, search YouTube, click YouTube and new link, click new link, and link channel. There I have two options, link channel and link video. So click link channel, search for your channel name, and let's click next. There I have 3 setup link, link your YouTube channel, and number 2, configure settings, and number 3, review and submit. So I already linked to my channel in Google ads, and click link and set up your YouTube channel link to Google ads. So that's it, the process of linking your Google ads to YouTube ads. Why I link your Google ads to YouTube channel? That means Google ads to create a video format advertisement in YouTube, to create a video format ads in setup in Google ads. So that's only I linked in YouTube channel to Google ads. This is Google ads dashboard. There have new campaign. Click new campaign. Have choose your objective. That means sales, leads, website traffic, app promotions, awareness and considerations, local store visit and promotions, and create a campaign without guidance. So I click create a campaign without guidance. To choose video, drive actions and on YouTube with your video ads, click video and select select a campaign subtype. There have more options. That means video views, video reach, efficient reach, non-skippable reach, target frequency, and drive conversions, ad sequence, audio reach, and YouTube subscriptions and engagement. So I select video views. That means because there have skippable in-stream ads, in-feed and shorts ads. I choose skippable in-stream ads, in-feed and short ads and click continue. General settings. Firstly, there have campaign settings, campaign name. So video ad 1 for B Lions Fashion. For example, B Lions Fashion. For example, campaign name I set video ads 1 B Lions Fashion. Number 2, ad format. Using all available formats can help you get up 40% more views. So its options are skippable in-stream ads, in-feed ads and short ads. And below bid strategy, there have only target CPV. That means cost per view only have in target bidding, and click budget and dates. This setup a campaign total, daily and temporary daily budget and click 500 rupees per day. 500 rupees charges for advertisement is compulsory. Click below. Then have network YouTube video partners on Google display networks are already done, and locations in India. So I choose in India. Languages English. So I choose English. EU political ads. That means I choose no, this campaign do not have European political ads. Click related videos and select related videos about your ads. What is your content? That related content ads in related videos. I advertise my clothing business, fashion clothing. I type fashion clothing. Choose any 2 to 5 videos related to your ads. That means why I choose 2 to 5 related to your ads means, for example, create a video about my product for clothing business. That related clothing business have in Google Ads help to reach more audience, more engaging audience reach my website. That's only I created a related video ads. And next, create your ad group. So ad group, that means video ads, B Lions Fashion. Example, this is main part, audience name and demographics and interest and details demographics and your data. So select your correctly data and demographics in audience setup. So I select the audience name for fashion design, fashion clothing, and demographics. There are select female, male, unknown. I choose female and male. And additional demographics, choose parent, non-parent, unknown. It's your wish to set up. And next, interest and detailed demographics. So that means this interest and demographics means business services. What are the type of your business? Choose this once, business and industry products and anything else. And next, your data. You wish to select your additional audience segments and audience expansion. This keywords add clothing. This keyword setup means audience mostly search for your brand, search for your related business. That keywords is add to this. Enter your related website and enter your product or service. And next, topics. So choose your topics about. Select topics to show ads on content about specific subjects. That means arts and entertainment, auto or vehicles, beauty and fitness, business and industries, etc. So there have many options, business and industries. So next, this placement setup is a main. Select your placement targeting. Choose your YouTube channel like related your video ads means my channel Riyaz Smith. So select your placement targeting for your specific audience. YouTube channel, YouTube videos, YouTube lineups and websites, apps and app categories. And next, create your video ads and click your URL website setup in Google and preview. This is my channel. I select this video URL YouTube ads, mobile phone examples for your skippable in Steam ads on YouTube. Mobile view, this is desktop view, this TV screen view. Set up your website, paste it in URL from YouTube and set your final URL and display path. Call to action, that means learn more, beelines, fashion, long headings like be ready with your styles, for example, and descriptions they are put into descriptions anything and this for overview, this is a demo video. I select this video, beelines fashion, learn more, sponsored. I have my channel name and learn more and my banner. So how this is working, the YouTube ads. So I created YouTube ads and next click down and bid 500 and create campaign. Click campaign means I true views 9.9k to 48k, impressions and 39k to 10k. So there's a cost per view targeting, true view 0.17 rupees to 1.32 rupees per view cost. I already created a campaign for my client. Look at this. This is a overview of video ads. So to tracking your impressions and average cost per view and view rates, to select your gender, age and etc. And this side devices for mobile, tablets, computers, TV screens that have more views in mobiles. This is insights and analytics. So in Google Ads. So in Google Ads, I created a combined video ads in this video. So this is more useful for you. I see you next video, guys.